Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time so you're viewing the control panel. This is necessary to access usage logs and limits. Once Screen Time loads, make sure you know the device passcode. Enter it if requested. If you don't have a passcode, you can proceed. Otherwise, you must unlock first. Now that you're viewing downtime, app limits, and content and privacy, pause to confirm you're on the device where you want to remove the timing records. Now remove specific timing controls. Tap app limits and swipe left or toggle off each limit to delete it. Do the same in downtime. Next, open See All Activity and review daily or weekly usage so you can identify which app entries you want to clear. If you use Share across devices, turn it off to stop aggregated timing across devices. This prevents deleted limits from reappearing and ensures subsequent adjustments affect only the current device. To fully delete timing, scroll down and choose Turn Off Screen Time. Confirm the action and enter your screen time passcode when asked. This removes limits, schedules, and usage reports for that device. Once turned off, restart the device to ensure settings clear from memory. If timing data reappears, make sure iCloud Screen Time Sync is off on all devices and then turn Screen Time off again. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud, reboot, and sign back in before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.